We are pleased to show you the 2018 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, heated seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, AHA. Your new ride is just a phone call away.